I'm going to start by draining the block. Go over to the port side, remove this plug right here. Use a zip tie or a pick to get all the water out of there. Now go to the other side, remove this hose. Alright, that's it for that. For the manifolds, we're going to come to the back right here. It's kind of like an irrigation hose. Just twist it until it comes loose. Get that water out of there. Come to the front, remove this water pump hose. There's 2 hose clamps. You can use a hose hook, make it easier. Now take this heater hose off. For a couple seconds. Then you can press there to blow the rest of that water out. See what's coming out of there. And the block. Hose back on. Only tighten the bottom and then put antifreeze to the top. You start seeing it come out the block. Do the same thing on the heater hose. Antifreeze, and then use compressor to blow it through. Don't forget that. You see antifreeze coming out of everywhere, and you're good to go. Put the hoses back or just leave it as is. And